This is so cute. Look at this little dog. Look at those layers of fur and that cute little collar with a heart and some pom-poms. This is going to win Best in Show at your Valentine's Day party for sure. I have the 12-pack here, the 6-pack here, which I cut down, the macaroni and cheese box down here, which I cut down, the Triscuit box is right here, where I shaped that. And then I have this tea box, which I also cut down, and here's the Dove soap bars. So now that it's all painted and dried, we will get started decorating it. Just grab 2 colors of t-shirts, and we're gonna hot glue them on and then fringe it up. Let's go. Okay, so I got these 2 t-shirts at the Goodwill. I'm gonna have this one underneath and then this one on top, kind of like the furry highlight. Won't that be cute? So, first thing I'm gonna do is measure from top to bottom here for the body, and then cut that. And I'm gonna use the hem for extra support at the top. So, if this is the top, let's measure and cut. So now we'll get our glue gun. There we have the first layer. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. So notice you just have to cut the sides of these first so it lays nicer. Okay, there we go. So it's easiest to fringe 1 layer at a time so it doesn't get super confusing. I'm doing like 1 finger width fringes. And right now I'm just cutting it. You can pull it a little bit while you cut it. It helps with the cut, and it also, at the end, we're going to be pulling them anyways. So might as well pull them a little bit now. Alright, I got the first layer all cut and fringed. Now we're going to pull each one just to make it look a little cuter, to make each strand roll rather than be square. Now we're going to use the sleeves, the hem of the sleeves. For the tail, we're going to go in sections upward so that the fringe always goes down. So we're going to just glue it like this. Here's my other color t-shirt. So what we want to do first is do the top of the head on the back. So we kind of want to measure. I draped the t-shirt over the wolf and using the hem line here for support by the hole. And then I cut a hole there, or I've markered up a hole there to let me know where to cut. Okay, I put on this layer and I fringed it and cut it. Now I'm going to trim it a little bit. Okay, I've draped the next t-shirt over the top like this with the hem here. And I'm going to glue it on and then I'm going to cut it to fit. So hey, isn't that cute? I added a little bit more fringe up here and another layer here, and then I gave it all a haircut. So I'm gonna put on a little collar. Won't that be cute? So cute. Look at this little dog. Look at those layers of fur and that cute little collar with a heart and some pom-poms. This is going to win Best in Show at your Valentine's Day party for sure. Thanks for joining me. I had so much fun making this. I hope you did too. Please post a picture of the Valentine's Day box that you made in the comments section so that I can see it. I would love it. Happy Valentine's Day. And thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing, thanks for liking and watching all of my videos, and until then, have a great day.